We've been doing syringes for over 50 years at this facility. We have a very experienced team. We're really good at what we do. We have experts in molding, assembly, packaging, quality validations.
For this project, we really had to accelerate the timeline. We did a lot of activities in parallel, and we were just able to get a lot of activities done before the machines even showed up. The team was really able to rally together to get it done in such a short period of time.
We're very proud and excited to be part of the solution to this pandemic.
We'd like to thank our partners at the federal government for their support. Really, with their support, we were able to make this project a real success, not only for the community, for BD, but also to support the pandemic response worldwide.